Good day everyone, welcome to the whiteboard animation course. So in this lecture we are going to be learning how to use the whiteboard animation. So with this we're going to be needing the Benime app. Is it Benime or Benime or whatever, but the spelling is Benime. So go to Google Play Store and download yours. So once you are done downloading, this is how the interface is going to look like. It might not look exactly like my own because I've done a lot of projects. So once you open, play around it, click this middle, this green plus at the middle. It will tell you to enter the name of your movie. You can give it a name. The under here it asks you the size you wanted. That is for TikTok, YouTube. Just select anyone. I'll select the one for Facebook. Then the name of my movie I can say is Project 1. Sorry. I can say it's Project 1. Then you click Create Movie. Since already exists, so let me say Project 2. Then you click Project 3 or 4. Create Movie. Fine. So once you create your project, this is how the interface is going to look like. It's very simple. Don't panic. It's very simple to use. So with this, you discover that we have the sticker, we have the text, we have the BG, which is the background, then we have the hands, then we have your music. Let's go around each and every one of them. If you click the sticker takes you to another phase where you have add image, add SVG, animations, and some other things. I think what you need here basically is the add image. Once you click it, it takes you to where you can add image to your project. It takes you to your folders where you can add image. Then if you also need animations, when we go to the course you would understand. If you need animations and you click it, it will give you some of the animations that you need. So let's go back. That's all for that. Then the text. When you click the text, this is where you are going to input the words that you need for the project. For example, let's say thank you for your patronage. Then you click insert. It automatically comes to your screen. Then you click the good sign here. So that's where you input your text. I'm not going to talk about that much because I'm coming back to it. Then the third one is your background. Your background means how you want this background to be. Presently is in the white background. If you select your color, it can be changed to either blue. You can click it again and select color. It can also be changed to any other color. But I want the white background. So I would work with basically the white background. Under the background, we also have select image. You can also select the image you want from the BG and post there. So then we have the hands. The hand is also you selecting the kind of hands that you want to write for you. There are different hands here. So select basically anyone you want. Then music is where you add your music from. You can click here and add music from your music store or from the ones that you have. So this is basically everything about Project 4. Okay, let's go back. So this is basically everything about the whiteboard animation. So let me start with the explanation. If you watch, I wrote thank you for your patronage. If you click it and give it a play down here, this box shows that this is the project. You can give it a play. You discover that it has started writing. It's very simple. Thank you for your patronage. Okay, let me just elaborate on this more. If you click the thank you, you discover that the writing is very fast. So once you click it, it brings you to this down interface. Let me bring out my mouse. Brings you to this down interface where you see delay, duration, and pause. Then you see this AA here. It means that you can change the font. You can change it to different fonts that you want. Different fonts, different kind of fonts. that you want. Then you see the black beside it. This black here is actually the color. You can change the color of your text to anyone that you want and select. You can change it to anyone that you want and select it. So then the next one is for you to change the size. If you want it to look very big, you can type 200. You see how big it now looks. So it depends on what you actually want. Then the next one, you see this thing is either for you to put it in the middle or side, anyone you want. Then this 200. You see how big it now looks. So it depends on what you actually want. Then the next one, you see this thing is either for you to put it in the middle or side, anyone you want. Then this sign that looks like a pencil is for you to edit what you have written. You can add to it or subtract. So that's basically what it does. This good sign means that once you are done, you press it for the good sign. Then we have the delay. Then the duration is for you to slow down the way the hand writes or increase the speed. I like putting it in 5 seconds. If you put it in 5 seconds and you give it a play, you discover that it now writes a little bit slower and it's better and nice. So it depends on you. You can click and change. It can be 10 seconds if you want it to be very fast and very slow. You click it and you see. Basically that's all for this. That's how the whiteboard animation works. Then you can decide to change the hands that is writing. Now I've changed the hand, so this is another kind of handwriting it. You can see. Then you can decide to add music to it. I can decide to choose any music and add to it. You can decide to add any music to it and press. So you have your music in your phone. You can decide to add any music that you like to it. So basically that's all about the whiteboard animation. That is all. Then if you discover that under here we have the watermarks of Benime, this name. We have the watermarks here. You can decide to remove it. If you want to remove it, you click it, because you don't want people to know the app you are working with. You click and remove. Then you discover that you can either pay for the pro version or you can remove immediately with 2,400, or you can decide to click the watch ad. Once my data is on, the watch ad will come up. Then watch your ad. Once you watch an ad, the logo there automatically removes. So that's basically how to remove it. Once you are done with the project, you come up here and click. You come up here and you can click this to play all the projects. It's going to play for you. Then if you feel like you want to add more after this, thank you for your patronage, you can click this plus sign and add another one. You can decide to put another text like God bless you. You can basically put anything. You can put anything and it starts, So once and press OK. So once this first one is done playing, it moves to the next one. So if you keep on adding, it keeps on moving. Then you put whatever slide you want, whatever thing you want on the slide, you keep adding. Then once you are done with all this, you can now click this sign up here. It will not ask you the name of your movie. You can give your movie a name. You can give it Project 7, whatever name you want. Then you can now click Make Movie. Once you click the make movie, you now see it rendering movie. Then you leave it to load. Once it's done loading, then it will now save for you. Once it saves, it automatically brings you here. You can either play the movie to see how it looks, but this is not what I would do. You can go back to your project, then you see it here. You can go back to your project. Once you now come to your movies. From movies, you can see it here. Then if you want it to display on your gallery, you might not see it on your gallery. You click these three buttons beside it, then you click save to gallery. Once you do that, you can now easily go to your gallery and see it. So basically, this is all about this course. So I'm playing it in my gallery now. So this is all about this course. This is basically all about it. But I am not teaching this course just for you to play around things. I want you to actually make money with it. So in the next phase, I'm going to be teaching us how to just do a simple advert for a company. Let's just say maybe a flight company. Let's just see how it looks. Let me just do a simple video for a flight company. And when you do it for any company, you can get paid for it. So I'm going to be doing something nice, not just a rough work like this, something nice for a flight company. And you see how it looks. So let's go to the next video.